Well, hello everyone. This is a theory of disease causation. We do have five principal theories of disease causation. The one is supernatural theory. This is concerned about supernatural forces, either by God. Maybe the disease may become or illness comes due to either God or the devil forces. Believe on this way. The second one, Hippocratic theory or miasmia theory. This is in opposition to the supernatural theories. This believes disease come to environmental factors. The third is germ theory. Germ theory is causes shown via Henel-Koch postulates or Koch's postulate. This is related with microorganisms. The fourth one is ecological approach. This is related with environment, host and agent. And also the fifth one is the classic epidemiology theory. So we do have five types of theories. So let us see supernatural theory. In the early time, disease was thought mainly due to either the cause of God or due to the evil force of the demons. So currently 10% of people in developed countries and 30% of people in developing countries still believe in the supernatural origin. That means disease may become due to curse of God or due to the evil force of the demons. The second theory is Hippocratic theory. Hippocrates is credited with being the first physician to reject the superstitions and beliefs of the supernatural and divine force of causing illness. That means the first person which rejected this idea or belief. He separated the disciplines of medicine from religion, believing and arguing that disease was not punishment inflicted by the God, but rather the product of environmental factor, diet and living habits. So the main idea or the main hypothesis of Hippocrates is disease comes due to environmental factor or diet factor or living habits. The third type of theory is germ theory of disease or Henel-Koch postulates. The most important postulate is that the microorganism must always be found with the disease. This postulate embodies the idea of specificity of the cause, that is, one-to-one relationship between exposure and disease. Sometimes this is called pure determinism. That means for one disease, it needs only one cause. One cause will give us a disease. Disease comes due to only one cause. So this is the specificity of the cause. Due to it's known as pure determinism. So Koch developed four criteria to demonstrate that specific disease caused by a particular agent. A specific agent must be associated with every case of the disease. The agent must be isolated from the disease host and the growing culture. When the culture grown agent is introduced into the health susceptible host, the agent must cause the same disease. The same agent must again be isolated from the infected experimental host. This is Koch developed the Koch's four criteria. So the other is the fourth type of theory is the ecological approach. As you know, ecology is defined as the study of relationship of organisms to each other as well as to all other aspects of environment. The requirement that more than one factor to be present for disease to develop is referred to as multiple causation or multifactorial ecology. Yeah, you are right. By the way, ecological approach is believes in multiple causation or multifactorial ecology because in the ecological view, an agent is considered to be necessarily but not sufficient cause disease because the condition of host and environment must also be optimal for disease to develop. So ecological approach concerns about agent, host and environment. So the etiology of disease is the sum total of all the factors which contribute to the occurrence of disease. The factors are related to agent, host and environment. Agent is a factor whose presence or absence, excess or deficiency is necessary for particular disease or injury to occur. When we say environment, all external factors other than agent host